Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to design a dice throw. We are going to obtain the number of throws from the user. For each throw, a random number will get generated. For this, we are going to write a Python program. I'm importing the random module in Python. This contains the function to generate the random number. Next, I'm going to obtain the input for the number of throws. Variable n equal to integer of input of how many dice throws. The input statement displays the string how many dice throws in the user's console and user enter the value. Input statement captures it as a string in function, convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Next I am going to write a for loop for I in range 1, n plus 1 colon. For is the keyword for the for loop, I is the loop variable. Range function will generate list from the starting number 1 up to the ending number -1. If you give n plus 1 means it will generate a list up to n. The loop variable I will take the value one by one starting from the 1 in the each iteration. In operator helps this purpose. Next I am going to write the body of the for loop. For the body of the for loop you have to give a tab space that stands for the scope in the Python. I am writing a print statement. Print a string row followed by the variable I followed by I am giving a string colon followed by random dot rand int starting value 1 ending value 6. I am closing the print statement. Here the random dot random, that is random function of the random module, will generate a number randomly between the given values. Here to generate a value from 1 to 6 because the dice is having a value from 1 to 6. Now I'm going to run the program and check the result. How many dice throws? I'm giving 5. So here throw 1 the value is 1, throw 2 2, 3 3 and 4 6, throw 5 is 1. So random function generate the random values. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.